Hey,
Hey,
what's up?
nothing.
I was thinking, like, maybe we could do some stuff today.
Well, I do have an idea on where to go.
Yeah. What?
Let's go to, some fountains.
Like, water fountains?
Yeah.
That sounds great. Let's
Yeah.
go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Woo.
Hey,
Hi.
wanna do something?
Sure. But I'm really hot.
Oh, okay. The air's on.
Yeah, it feels
Okay.
good.
So,
Yeah.
let's go somewhere.
How about we go look at some fountains?
Oh, that sounds really cool.
I know a really cool fountain, but I'm not gonna tell you because I don't want to.
Alright, you'll just give me some directions, and then,
Yeah, I could give you, my phone.
okay, cool.
It's in my pocket.
Okay, great.
Wow. Isn't it great?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
I mean, just look at it. Beautiful. I wish I could just jump in that water. Looks so good.
Yeah,
Cool.
me too.
I would like to swim in that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so blue and purified.
Okay. What else you got?
Well, there is one over there. Let's go. Wow.
I can't read.
What does that say? Danger. No swimming. No skating. Scatting? What? Scatting?
It doesn't say anything about the fountain.
No, it doesn't. Why is there a random shovel right there? Isn't it so beautiful? I mean, it like goes in a pattern. It's so cool. Who's that?
She looks tasty.
No, don't. No. Bad shark. Bad shark. Bad. Hi. I'm thirsty. How about I drink some of this water? Wait, why aren't you going to do the shark?
What?
This is beautiful. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. Look.
Kinda makes me want to kiss you. I'm just kidding. Hey, I can see your face. Yeah, that too.
And the best one of all, this fountain is awesome. Just look at it.
Wow. It's so majestic.
That's actually the perfect phrase for this moment right now. I kind of want to lick the water.
Don't, dude. There's a dead fish.
Oh, I see that.
Wow.
If I was a cat, I would do it either way. Because cat like fish and stuff.